Good morning everyone, I am Priyanka and my topic is singular points, double or multiple points and tracing of curves. Singular point. A point x, y on the curve f of x, y is equal to 0 is said to be a singular point if dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y vanishes at that point. What is the working rule of singular point? Let f of x, y is equal to 0. We have to find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y, that is partial differentiation, and we have to equate it to 0. We will get the singular points. Double point or multiple point. A point P of x, y is said to be a double point if two branches of curves passes through the point. Working rule, we have to find dou f of dou x and dou f by dou y, that is partial differentiation, and then we have to equate it to 0, and we have to apply the formula dou square f by dou x into dou y whole square minus dou square f by dou x whole square into dou square f by dou y square. We will get a value. If the value is greater than 0, then the double point is known as node. If the value is equal to 0, the double point is called cusp. If the value is less than 0, then the double point is conjugate or a isolated point. Problems. First main is to find the singular points of the following. First question is x cube plus x square plus y square minus x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. As per the working rule, first we have to find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou x will be with respect to x, that is 3x square plus 2x minus 1, and dou f by dou y will be 2y minus 4. To find the singular point, we have to do dou f by dou x is equal to 0 and dou f by dou y is equal to 0. That is, first 3x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then further simplification, 3x square plus 3x minus 1x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is splitting the middle term. Common, 3x, x minus 1 is left, minus 1 is common, and x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x minus 1 and x plus 1 is common, x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is if we equate to 0, 3x is equal to 1, and x plus 1 if we equate to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x values are 1 by 3 and minus 1. If the dou f by dou y is equated to 0, that is 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, 2 is common, y minus 2 is equal to 0, y minus 2 is equal to 0. If we take it to right hand side, y is equal to 2. We are getting the values of x, that is 1 by 3 comma minus 1, and y, that is equal to 2. Therefore, the possible singular points are 1 by 3 comma 2 and minus 1 comma 2. Next problem is to find the double point of the following. The first problem is x cube plus y cube is equal to 3axy. That is, f of x, y is x cube plus y cube minus 3axy is equal to 0. First, we have to find dou f by dou x and dou f by dou y. That is 3x square minus 3ay. Dou f by dou y is 3y square minus 3ax. We have to equate it to 0 to find the double point. 3x square minus 3y is equal to 0. 3 is common. X square minus ay is equal to 0. X square is equal to ay. Y is equal to x square by a. We can write it as y is equal to x square by a. The second, dou f by dou y, that is 3y square minus 3ax is equal to 0. 3 is common. Y square minus ax is equal to 0. Y square is equal to ax. Now, we are substituting the value of 3, that is y is equal to x square by a, into, that is y square is equal to ax. In place of y, we are substituting x square by a whole square is equal to ax. That is, x to the power 4 divided by a square is equal to ax. X to the power 4, we are taking a square to this side, a cube into x. X to the power 4 minus a cube x is equal to 0. X is common, therefore x cube minus a cube is equal to 0. We are neglecting this imaginary part and we are taking x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. If we substitute the value of x in equation number 3, we will get y is equal to 0 and y as a. Therefore, the possible points are 0, 0 and a, a. Since a cannot be found on the curve, we can find only 0, 0 on the curve. So, the double point of this curve is 0, 0. Next problem is to find the position and nature of the following. X cube plus y square plus 4y minus 7x square plus 15x minus 13 is equal to 0. we have to differentiate with respect to x, that is 3x square minus 14x plus 15, and dou f by dou y is 2y plus 4. We have to equate it to 0. We are splitting the middle term. 3x square plus minus 14x plus 15 is equal to 0. 3x square minus 9x minus 5x plus 15 is equal to 0. 3x is common, x minus 3, and 5 is common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x minus 5 and x minus 3, if we equate to 0, x is equal to 5 by 3, comma 3. Then if we equate dou f by dou y, which is equal to 0, 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, 2 is common, y plus 2 is equal to 0, y plus 2 is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. So therefore the possible double points are 5 by 3 comma minus 2 and 3 comma minus 2. But 5 by 3 comma minus 2 is a fraction which will not lie on a curve. But the only double point we can find is 3 comma minus 2. If we have to find the nature of the curve, we have to do the formula that is this: dou square f by dou x into dou y whole square minus dou square f by dou x square into dou square f by dou y square. For that, first we have to find dou square f by dou x square, that is 6x minus 14, and dou square f by dou y is only 2. In place of 6x minus 14, we have substituting the value of x, that is 3, that is 6 into 3 minus 14 is equal to 0. 6 3 is 18 minus 14 is equal to 4. Dou square f by dou x into dou y is 0. Dou by dou x into dou f by dou y. We are taking dou f by dou y, that is 2y plus 4. If we partially differentiate with respect to x, there is no x term, therefore it will be equal to 0. We are substituting all these values here. Dou f by dou x into dou x into dou y whole square is 0, minus dou square f by dou x square is 4, and dou square f by dou y square is 2. Therefore the final value is minus 8, which is less than 0. Therefore the double point is conjugate or an isolated point. Similarly, the next problem is x cube plus 2x square plus 2xy minus y cube plus 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. First, we have to find dou f of dou x and dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou x is 3x square plus 4x plus 2y plus 5, and dou f by dou y is 2x minus 2y minus 2. For a double point, we have to take dou f by dou x is equal to 0 and dou f by dou y is equal to 0. That is 3x square plus 4x plus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, and 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here we have to add equation 1 and equation 2. If we add equation 1 and 2, we will get 3x square, 4x plus 2x is 6x, and 2 plus 2y minus 2y will get cancelled, plus 5 minus 2 is plus 3 is equal to 0. We have to divide it by 3. X square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we observe this, we will get the formula x plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. X plus 1 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we equate it to 0, we will get x is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. If we substitute the value of x in equation number 2, we will get 2 into minus 1 minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 2y is equal to 0. Minus 4 is equal to 2y, y is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the possible double points are minus 1 comma minus 2. If we have to find the nature of this curve, we have to find dou square f by dou x square, that is 6x plus 4, and dou square f by dou y, that is only 2. Dou square f by dou x into dou y, dou of dou x into dou f by dou y, dou of dou x, dou f by dou y, we have to write 2x minus 2y minus 2. Therefore, we have to differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, the answer will be 2. We have written 2 here, and we are substituting in this formula, that is dou square f by dou x into dou y is 2 whole square 4 minus dou square f by dou x square is minus 2, and dou square f by dou y square is minus 2. Here we are substituting the value of x, which we have found as minus 1. So 4 minus 4 is 0, which is equal to 0. The value is equal to 0. Therefore, the double point is cusp. Here we have one more topic, that is tracing of curves. The procedure of tracing of Cartesian curves is the symmetry of the curve. about the x-axis, about the y-axis, and about the line, that is y is equal to x. If the curve is symmetrical about the x-axis, if the equation contains the even powers of y, and about the y-axis, if the curve is symmetrical and if the equation contains the even powers of x. If y should be equal to x, the equation of the curve is unchanged when x and y values are interchanged. If the x and y values are interchanged, then also the equation of the curve remains same. Then the curve is symmetrical about the line y is equal to x. Second point is point of intersection of the curve with coordinate axis. These points can be obtained by solving the equation of the curve x and y, where x should be equal to 0 and y should be equal to 0. If the equation does not contain any constant term, the curve passes through the origin. The asymptotes of the curve, the nature of double points of the curve, the region in which the curve lies, all should be contained. The interval in which the curve is increasing or decreasing, that is on the determination of dy by dx, and the interval in which it is positive or negative. These things we will know when we learn the procedure of tracing of curves. If the equation of the curve is f of r comma theta is equal to 0, the equation of the curves remain unchanged when theta is changed to minus theta. When theta is changed to minus theta, then also the equation of the curve remains the same. Then the curve is symmetrical about the initial line, that is the x-axis. If the equation of the curves remain unchanged when the theta is changed to pi minus theta, then the curve is symmetrical about the line theta is equal to pi by 2, that is the y-axis. If the equation of the curves remains unchanged when theta is changed to pi by 4 minus theta, then is symmetrical about the line, that is y should be equal to x. If the equation of the curve remains unchanged when r is changed to minus r, the curve is symmetrical to the pole. If there exists some real value for theta when r is substituted as 0, the curve passes through the pole. If the curve passes through the pole, then we have to find the tangents of the pole, that is by putting r value as 0. Find the points when the curve meets the initial line and line theta is pi by 2. We have to find the value of phi by using tan theta is equal to r into dr by d theta. Further, find the points of phi is equal to 0. We have to substitute phi as 0 and pi by 2, and we have to find the value of phi. Find some points on the curve for some convenient value of theta. We have to find some of the points on the curve which is possible for theta, which is convenient for theta. Solve the given equation of r and theta and find the region in which the curve lies or does not lie. Find the values of r for different values of theta. From this we can find some of the specific points through which the curve passes. Thank you.